You have been looking for the easiest way you can boost your stamina naturally, how you can improve your performance naturally, how you can improve on your endurance naturally. My dear, in today's video, I'm going to tell you how to use Nescafé to improve your performance naturally, to make it stiff and strong, only Nescafé. So, before I proceed, my name is Coach Uganda. I come from Uganda. What about you? If you're a newcomer to this YouTube channel, my dear, please subscribe. Invite your friends to this YouTube channel. And of course, if you're on TikTok, Facebook, go to YouTube, look for Coach Uganda YouTube channel and subscribe. Remember, subscribing is for free of charge and turn on the notification bell. So, back to the point. How do you use Nescafé in the right way to maximize your stamina naturally? To boost your performance naturally, to improve on your physical performance naturally. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to use Nescafé, the right way to use Nescafé. And you're going to know other ingredients you can mix with Nescafé to obtain maximum results. Remember, this video is for educational purpose only. So you have to be with a blender at home. If you don't have a blender, I'm so sorry, but you have to be with a blender. But before we proceed, or before we start, Nescafé contains nutrients and vitamins which help to increase blood flow. Remember, if you have high blood flow in your body, even your performance improves naturally. So you need Nescafé. Now, get for me a blender. Add for me 1 tablespoon of Nescafé. Okay, any type of coffee powder, so long as it's coffee, just 1 tablespoon of coffee powder in your favorable blender which you have at home. Now from that, get for me clove powder. Clove powder also contains vitamins and minerals which will help you to maximize blood flow. Remember, a real person or a real man needs high blood saturation. If your saturation is good, it means even your performance will maximize naturally. So get for me clove powder. Okay? Add also a half tablespoon. Okay? Not a full spoon, but a half tablespoon in your blender where you have put 1 spoon of coffee powder. So add for me a half spoon of clove powder. My dear, if you want to make your part stiff and strong naturally, you have to follow this video carefully and you have to watch the video from the beginning up the end, because this is so amazing. No overdose, no side effects. And I told you this video is for educational purpose only. Okay? Now, the next ingredient is we need ginger. Ginger, fresh ginger. Okay? All my ingredients are easy to buy, are cheap, and all the ingredients are found in your kitchen. So get for me ginger, like this one. Just get a small piece. Okay, cut it into slices, add it to your blender where you've put your coffee and clove powder. Guys, are we together? I'm going slowly because I want you to understand how to make this home remedy, when to use it, for how long, after knowing the procedures. So add for me a small piece of fresh ginger into your blender. This will maximize your performance naturally at home. So from that, the same thing in your blender, add for me lime. Get 1 piece of lime. Please don't remove the outer parts of your lime. Okay, just cut it into slices. Also put it in your blender. From there, I want you to add hot boiled water. I repeat, add hot boiled water. Then make your juice. It means you're going to use water which is very hot. This is not juice, and it's not tea. But I'm talking about the real recipe which will help you to maximize your performance naturally, to boost your performance, to strengthen your favorable part, and of course, to make you a real man, okay? Naturally at home. So, add hot boiled water in your blender and start blending. From that, just put your recipe in a cup. It can be a glass, it can be any container. Then, before drinking that recipe, my dear, add for me 1 tablespoon of natural honey. Okay? 1 tablespoon of natural honey. In your remedy, it means after blending in your cup, it can be a glass, it can be any container, add 1 tablespoon of natural honey. Now, mix very well, guys. Mix very well. Now, before I tell you when to use that home remedy, when to drink it, please subscribe if you have not yet, guys, subscribed. If you're a newcomer to this YouTube channel, please do it, subscribe. And I told you there is membership program. Join my membership, start receiving extra educational videos like this one. Just click on the join button and join us right now. So, my dear, if you're looking for the way how to maximize your performance naturally, how to strengthen your part naturally, how to improve or to boost your stamina naturally, how to maximize your energy naturally, if you're a man, this is what you're supposed to take. This is what you're supposed to be taking every day. Trust me, you won't remain the same. First of all, this home remedy doesn't have overdose, doesn't have side effects. Just using Nescafé and other ingredients which I've told you to change your life forever. So, I want you to take that home remedy every day in your free time. Take it every day in your free time. Trust me, in 4 weeks, if you've been moving for 2 minutes in the first round, my dear, you will start moving 1 hour in the first round naturally. It means you will start being a man. You will start behaving like a man after trying this home remedy. Results, they vary because of different types of bodies. But minimum 4 weeks to start seeing some results or to start seeing results. Remember, we have different types of bodies. So, my body is different from your body. I can get results in 3 weeks. Someone can get results in 2 weeks. Another person can get results in 4 weeks. So results varies, but take it minimum 4 weeks. My dear, you'll start behaving like a man. Your energy will be good naturally. Physical performance will be perfect. And my dear, you'll be called a real man. Just Nescafé. This is the right way you have to use Nescafé to boost your performance naturally, to behave like a man at home naturally. So my name is Coach Uganda. I come from Uganda. Please subscribe, share, leave a comment in the comment section. Love you so much. May God bless you. Bye-bye. See you again in the next video.